Howdy, y'all. Do some of y'all work in the food service industries, or retail services, or just guest services in general? Any of you had really horrible customers?
Lucky day, partner.
For all you no good, dirty, low-down customers around these parts, and I'm going to teach you proper etiquette when asking for services. America's youth, if you are between the ages of 16 and 27, and you get carded at a movie theater,
it's their job!
R-rated movies, adult supervision is required at all times for those 17 years and younger, so if you look between the ages of 16 and 27, it is their job to card you. Same thing goes for alcohol for all my 21 and up. Don't get offended. You look young, you're beautiful, your skin is on fleek. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Same thing goes when you're at McDonald's, or whenever you are out eating in a restaurant. Do not be rude to your waiter or your server or the person taking your order, because they are your lifeline. I've had my share of crappy services, but I've also had my share of crappy customers. Ladies and gentlemen of the grand jury, do not cut me off when I am taking your order. Let me finish my speech, whether it's upselling you or just talking to you. Hello, good day. Would you like this cute scarf for your daughter? Wasn't a scarf, but you get the picture. And we're on the subject of children. Keep them under control! Stable, healthy family relationship means that you're the parent and they are the child and they obey you. Therefore, they should not be running around like little vermins everywhere causing mayhem and havoc. Or no. Have your cards and your money ready.
And don't let there be a long line and you still not know what you want. That's what it is for, so you can decide when you're waiting. Pay attention!
My register and say, oh, I've been waiting in this line for 5 minutes. And then, after you're done chewing me out, you take another 5 minutes to process your order. Why do you think everyone previously in line before you took so long to take the same thing? Oh. Are you paying separately? You should have the money counted. Okay. For all you fellow Americans balling on a budget and you got all the pennies, the dimes, the nickels, the quarters, and whatever other currency you may have on your person, don't throw it at me. I'm not a vending machine. I don't want your coins. I don't want you to just be like, they just splatter everywhere. And then you judge me because I'm literally 25, 50, 35, oh wait no, 35, 50, 85 to 90, and then you're like, oh, someone's slow. You brought me like 100 quarters, 60 pennies, and 20, I'm sorry. Oh, cell phones, have that stuff ready. Don't you come up to the register and be like, oh, excuse me. Hey, what did Billy want? Okay, can I get another extra of those nuggets, 2 slushies, what? And lastly, for customer etiquette, don't tell us how to do our job. We're doing it. You just gotta work with us. Communication. Also, please don't be obnoxious. Please don't break our stuff. Please don't be rude. And if you would like to speak to my manager, please hold.
If you are working in the customer service industry, whether it's food, retail, or just hospitality in general, never engage the guest. Customer, I mean, it's your job. Like, just smile, wave, petty arguments. It's not gonna get anyone anywhere. If you need to take a 10, 5 minute, your lunch now, you girl, boy, you go in there and be like,
manager, I need 10. I'm 15, 35.
But seriously, always be kind, courteous, follow your company's procedures, make sure you grab your supervisor or anyone in charge, and, let them deal with the situation. That's what they're trained for. And if you are the supervisor, you know the company's policy and procedures. Law enforcement's here, just, smile, everyone. Maybe that customer's having a bad day. You never know. That's just communication, guys. That's all it takes. All it takes. Smiles and happiness. Smiles and happiness. Smiles and happiness. Right, folks, this is the end of my video. Deuces, pooches. Good night.